Hey everyone, Pastor Padron here, and I'm here this morning to talk about how to pack and light a pipe. I hear a lot of people who are wanting to get into smoking pipes talk about their struggle with keeping the pipe lit and the work it takes to do that. And there's all sorts of myriad ways that you can find on the internet to learn how to do that, and there's lots of things that work. But sometimes I think we end up making it a lot more complicated than it actually is. So what I thought I would do is make a short little video here showing you how I do it. And if you can watch me do it, then maybe I can take some of the mystery out of this for you. The most important thing that you can be doing when you are preparing your pipe is to learn how to pack it right. You need to have it packed tightly enough, and that's the number one thing I hear when people explain to me or show me how they're packing their pipe as they're trying to light it. They are not packing the tobacco hard enough into the bowl. I think people are afraid that if they pack it too hard, they're not going to be able to draw through it. But you can really pack that tobacco a lot harder than you think. So watch what I'm about to do and see if it works for you. Okay, I have here a tin of one of my favorite tobaccos, GLP's Cumberland. And we open it up, take out the little top, and I'm using a ribbon tobacco here. And here's what I do. Take my pipe, I take a good pinch of the tobacco, about as much as I think will fit into the pipe bowl, and just kind of feed it in like that, okay? And then I feed it until it's a little bit over the top, like that, and then I start pressing it down into the bowl. See how far down into the bowl I pushed that? Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more here and put it on the top. And I want to, in this case, fill the pipe all the way up. You don't have to fill it all the way up. It's one of the great things about smoking a pipe. You can put in as much or as little as you want, but you do want a little bit, you do want it when it's full to be a little bit under the lip of the bowl of the pipe. So I'm going to tap it back down like that, sorry, so that it's like that. And if I push down really with some decent force on this, you're going to see the tobacco does not move all that much. It bounces back up into place, but that's how tight you want it packed. Okay? Now let's talk about lighting. All right, now that we've got the pipe packed, I can draw through it, okay? And you should get the kind of resistance of pulling water through a straw. If it is like you're pulling a milkshake or like a Wendy's Frosty, you've packed it too tight, and you can just take a pick, clean out the pipe, and repack it. So as long as you get that resistance of like pulling water or soda through a straw, that's kind of what you want. Then you take your lighter and light around the pipe, kind of like you're toasting the foot of a cigar if you're a cigar smoker, but you're wanting to get the whole thing lit. Now, do you see how the tobacco in the bowl rose up? That's because heat makes things expand. So the trick to lighting a pipe, once it's been packed correctly, is to create a layer of ash that is going to trap the heat in the pipe so that it burns down and not up and out. So once you have it lit like that, gently take a tamper, I wouldn't use your finger because it's going to be hot, but you do what you want. And gently tap it back down. Now it's going to put everything out. Okay? That's on purpose. So you can see I've flattened out the tobacco in there so that it's all even across. Now I'm going to light it again, and I'm going to be watching the bowl to see if any of the tobacco flares back up and out, being expanded outward because of the heat. And as that happens, I want to tap it back down into place. And once the top of the bowl has a nice even cherry color when I'm drawing through it, and the tobacco isn't rising anymore, that means that the heat is evened out, that the humidity is evened out, and that it's going to burn evenly down the bowl. Note too, I'm not jamming my light all the way into the bowl. The hottest part of the flame is actually above it that you can't actually see. So just hold it close to the bowl, but you don't have to put it into it, okay? Now, I don't know if you can see, but some of the tobacco is still rising up a little bit. So I'm going to tamp it back down again and then repeat. All right, now when I draw on the pipe, I can see the red cherry color as I draw through, and the tobacco is no longer rising up, which means I've created enough of a layer of ash in order to keep things burning down and trap the heat inside so that it's not escaping through the top. Now this should go for a good while before needing relit again, unless you put your pipe down. Pipe smoking, you kind of have to constantly sip on it. It's not like a cigar that you take a puff, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then take another puff. You kind of slowly have to continually sip at it. It's a slower cadence, it's a gentler cadence than smoking a cigar. But I find it very pleasant. Anyway, I hope this helps. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.